Single sink versus double sink. Which one is right for your kitchen? Dear friends, choosing between a single sink and a double sink can make a surprising difference in how your kitchen works every day. The right choice depends on your cooking habits, available counter space, and how you use your sink. A single bowl sink offers one large, uninterrupted basin. This makes it excellent for washing large pots, baking trays, and oversized cookware. It also gives your kitchen a clean, modern appearance and is often easier to keep tidy. A double bowl sink divides the space into two sections. You can wash dishes in one bowl and rinse them in the other, or separate dirty dishes from food preparation. This can be especially useful for people who frequently cook multiple meals or prefer keeping tasks organized. However, double sinks usually provide less room for large cookware. If you regularly wash big pans or roasting trays, the divided bowls may feel restrictive. Your available counter space also matters. A large single sink can be a great choice for a spacious kitchen, while compact double sinks may work better when you want separate washing areas without using too much counter space. Think about your daily routine before deciding. If flexibility and large basin capacity are your priorities, choose a single sink. If multitasking and separation are more important, a double sink could be the better option. Ultimately, there is no universal winner. Choose the sink that matches your cooking style, kitchen size, and everyday needs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.